Good morning. Happy Monday. I will not be in the room today. I'm a little change of plans. I had to take my daughter to the doctor this morning. Don't worry, she doesn't have the coronavirus or nothing. So we're just going to do a little bit of order of operations. Most of you guys should have seen this before. Welcome to my kitchen, by the way, if I didn't say that already. Sorry it's a little dark, but since it's the morning, I was getting a really bad glare with the lights on. But it's not light enough out to give me sun either, so I don't know. Okay, so order of operations, we often think of this as pemdas, so the P being the parentheses, E is for exponents, whatever, it may not be squared, it might be cubed, or something. M is for multiply, then divide, add, and then subtract. Okay, so if you have a problem with lots of operations, follow through your PEMDAS, and I'm going to do a couple on the board just because. So your worksheet, I think, is 30 problems. It wouldn't normally be that long, but these should be pretty quick. I don't mind. You're more than welcome to use a calculator. In fact, I encourage it. Okay, but calculators don't know, so you still have to put them in the right order. Okay, so if we look at number 3, it says 2 plus 3 divided by 5. Now, if you type this in on a calculator and you say 2 plus 3 divided by 5, sometimes you might get the right answer, sometimes it might not, okay? So make sure that in this case it would, so we're going to follow our PEMDAS. Do we have any parentheses? Yes. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And we haven't used this, so we're going to drop it down, divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Okay? It's pretty easy. So, if we look at... Sorry, something popped up on my computer. Number 6. Okay, number 6 says 6 squared minus 5. Okay, do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have exponents? Yes. So we're going to do our exponents first. So 6 squared is really 6 times 6, which is 36. And we haven't used this, so we're going to drop it down. 36 minus 5 is going to give us 31. Let's see here. Let's look at number 11. So number 11 says, and I'm going to have to erase some of this, so pause it if you're not finished. Okay, number 11 says, parentheses 16 minus 1, I lied, 16 minus parentheses 1 plus 8 minus 5, close parenthesis, divided by 4. Okay, so parentheses are kind of weird, but you always start on the inside and work your way out. So we know we have parentheses. It's a matter of which ones to do first. Well, these are on the inside, so you do these first. So you got 1 plus 8 is going to give you 9 minus 5. And I don't want to skip steps for those of you guys that... So this part gave me 9 minus 5, close, divided by 4. So we got 16 minus 9 minus 5 is going to give us 4, divided by 4. Now, I put these parentheses in here again, but do you really need them? No. If you want to put them, you're more than welcome to. Okay, so 16 minus 4 is going to give us 12. So these parentheses are all done. Divided by 4 is going to give you 3. Okay, so, and then let's look at, let's look at 14. I'm going to erase, so if you need it, pause it. $14 says 3 plus parenthesis 12, 2, close the parentheses twice, divided by 6 minus 1. Okay, so our PEMDAS says parentheses. Okay, we're going to work our inside out. If you have parentheses that are right next to each other like this, it means multiply, okay? So 12 times 2 is going to give us 24 divided by 6 minus 1. Okay, do we have any exponents? No. Do we need to multiply? No. Do we need to divide? Yes. Okay, so the division symbol goes in the middle of whatever needs divided. So don't do divided by 6 divided by negative 1. Okay, that doesn't even make any sense. So you're going to say 24 divided by 6 is going to give me 4 for this whole part. We haven't used the plus, and we haven't used the 3, and we haven't used the 1 or the minus, so minus. Okay, do we have any parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide? No. Now we can add. So 3 plus 4 is going to give me 7. And now we can subtract. 7 minus 1 is 6. And I'm trying to go really fast because the YouTube takes forever to upload. Let's do 20. Good erase. 20 says 18 divided by 6 plus 18 divided by 3 minus 1. Okay, do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any exponents? No. Do we have any multiplication? No. Do we have any division? Yes. Now, which one do you divide first? It doesn't matter. Okay, so, do you like my little, doesn't matter. I heard it too. So, 18 divided by 6 is going to give me 3. And 18 divided by 3 is going to give me 9? No. 6. Really? I just did it over here. Okay, minus 1. So, we're done with our division. Addition, we got 6 and a 3 is 9 minus 1. And then it's going to give me 8. Do a couple more. Let's do 28. 28 says 3 over 6 minus 3 times 5. Okay, do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any exponents? No. Do we need to multiply? Yes. Okay, so most people want to do this part first, but you're not. So you're going to say 15 over 6 minus 3. Okay, now, do we divide? Yes. However, can you divide this? You could, but you got to split them all up. So combine the bottom first. So 6 minus 3 is going to give me 3 over 15. This really means divide. A bar means divide. So 15 divided by 3 is going to give you 5. And I'll do one more. 30. We got 18 over 2 parentheses 2 plus 1. Okay, do we have any parentheses? Yes. So it's going to be 18 over 2. 2 plus 1 is going to give me 3. What's it mean when it's right next to it? It means multiply. Okay, so we're going to, and our multiplication is next anyway. So 18 divided by 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, and it's a bar, so once again it means divide. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Okay? Okay, so if you didn't need these, great. If you did, there's some help too. Finish your worksheets. Submit them on Canvas. Hopefully you remember how. If not, ask a buddy. And I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow.